Hey dudes, today we are going to learn how to create a chart and use it as a presentation centerpiece to our Excel spreadsheet. Over here I have a list of items I want to plot on a graph. We will start by selecting all of it, including the headings. From the toolbar, click Insert, click Chart, and let's make it a 3D chart. Now that I have my chart, I want to put it as a chart on its own sheet so that when someone opens the spreadsheet, they're going to see the chart and not the data. To do that, I right-click on the chart, then click Move Chart, and I'm going to click New Sheet, then click OK, and that will put my chart on a new sheet. This is the chart of groceries, and you can see the heading says quantity. So to change that, I double-click on quantity and then replace quantity with groceries. If I want to edit the sheet titles too, I double click sheet 1 and type presentation, and on the sheet 2 I will call that data. There you have it. That is how you create and edit a chart. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you will be notified of the next video.